So today I'm going to be talking about how to find where the light ends up after it passes through a refraction and a diffraction. So my question today is, suppose we have a light source that is being shown through carbon tetrachloride. It's just for fun. And the light enters the air after it passes through the carbon tetrachloride and then hits a mirror and then ends up at some place, oh, that's the answer, that ends up someplace below in the negative y direction. Given that this angle is 25 degrees to the normal and the light actually travels 5 meters, I want to figure out where the light ends up. And so the first thing I do is I use Snell's law. So Snell's law tells us that the refraction index of the carbon tetrachloride multiplied by the angle from which it comes from to the normal divided by the air refraction index will give me the angle theta 2, which can be seen here. So I solved this and I got that the angle was 38.13 degrees. And using geometry, I could tell that this angle is equal to this angle, which leads us to the next problem. And that problem is to define this number x. Because if I find this number x, then I can multiply it by 2 and find out where the light ends up. So my next problem is to solve for x. Here I'm using the sine function. I know that the light travels 5 meters because that's given to me in the problem. And I know that this angle is 38.13 degrees. So what I can do is find out that sine of 38.13 multiplied by 5 meters is 3.09 meters. And so that gives us this number x. And because I also know that this is split equally down the middle, I know this sine theta, or this theta is also equal to this theta, and I know that this travels equally also to 5 meters. So I know that I can multiply this by 2, and then I can get this total distance. So I do that, and I got 6.17. So 3 times 2 is 3.09 times 2 is 6.17. And so my light ends up at 6.17 meters. So just as a summary, I have my light entering in at 25 degrees. It's being refracted by 38.13 degrees. As it reflects the mirror, it ends up traveling a total of 6.17 meters in the negative y direction. Thank you.